I wanna show you how to add the color isolation zoom animation in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you need to double click on your preview screen and drag the blue cycle to the set target area of your zoom effect. Next, go to the effects control panel and click the stopwatch icon to the scale and rotation. Move forward few frames ahead and change the scale to 300 in my case. Then, go to the effects and write Lumetri Color. Apply the Lumetri Color effect to your video clip. Come back to the effects control, scroll down to the Lumetri Color and select the pen tool. Draw the mask around your subject, outlining the area that you want to isolate. Once the mask is complete, check the inverted option to apply the effect outside your selection. Scroll down to the saturation setting and click on the stopwatch icon to create the keyframe and lower the saturation to 0, turning the background black and white. Of course, you can play with the values too. Next, move the timeline playhead to the start of the clip and click Reset Parameter for saturation to bring back the color and the beginning of the animation. To smooth the edges of your mask, adjust the feather and expansion settings until the transition looks natural. Finally, move your playhead to the end of your video clip and set the scale to 320. Change the rotation to -2 for added motion. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow the channel. Put your like and subscribe.